All right, welcome back. This is lesson one. Remember, we are still in Teach Yourself Web Design, the sales funnel building series. All right, in this class, we are going to be teaching you how to build a sales funnel. Now, we are going to be starting with what a sales funnel is. What is a sales funnel? Now, some people have heard about sales funnel and call it is a website that you take people when you buy products, when they buy products, or when you put adverts online or on Facebook, be it on Twitter, TikTok, wherever, you now bring people to your website. You understand? That is what people think a sales funnel is. But no, that is not really what a sales funnel is. If that is not what a sales funnel is, what then is a sales funnel? Now, I don't want to get me wrong. A sales funnel can also be a website, right? Can also be a website where people go to, where they click. But it is more than that. It is more than that. Let's look at what a sales funnel is and how you can start building one. All right, let's go. A sales funnel is simply a digital marketing system or process which a marketer or a business person can turn a potential audience slash buyer to a hot lead and finally a customer. Now, it is a system, it's a process, it's a journey. It's not just a destination, it's a journey. Why I'm saying is not about the website. Some people see it as a destination, but not everybody sees it as a journey. It's a journey. It does not end when they land to your website. It does not also end when they buy from you. It it's continuous because why? You're a business person. A business person does not think I'll make money today. I don't want to make money tomorrow. He thinks, how do I continually make money from these processes? Now, from these customers. Now, that's why we said it's a process which a marketer or a business can turn, you use it to turn a potential audience or buyer to a hot lead and finally a customer, right? So if, sorry about that typography, is finally I'm supposed to put here. So finally a customer. Now it is also the process you take your potential clients through and the experience they get from such process before the exchange of cash and product is transacted. Now it's an experience. What experience do you want your customers to get? What is the end result you want your customer to get? What is the satisfaction you want your customer to get? That is what will make the customer to part with his cash. That is what a sales funnel is. A sales funnel is like, okay, let's say two friends. You have two friends, and you have a friend, somebody you meet, and you like their character, and you understand, you are trying to get them to like you. You met them and you like them. You want them to be your friend. But how do you make them your friend? You just walk up, be my friend. No. You have to nurture them to understand you and you understand them before they become your friend. So it's a process, it's a journey. And that journey has to do with the experience the other person gets, not the experience you get. You understand? That's what most people feel when they say, okay, we want to sell something on Facebook and they put up a website. So that is not what a sales funnel is. A sales funnel is an experience, the process you take them through to have that experience. That is a sales funnel. All right, let's still go so I can explain better what a sales funnel is and how you can start using it for your business. All right, let's take a look at the process. Shall we? Okay, let's go. Now, meet Joyce. She sells beauty products. This is her product, right? She's a slave queen. She sells products, great products. And this product has the possible outcome to make women look outstanding like this. You see, the product has this is the experience that the customer will get. So how will she take them through this experience? That is where we're going. Ladies like that has a possible outcome to make women look outstanding like this. All right. Ladies like Jessica, Halima, Amanda, Natasha are in need of her products. They need this product. They want to have an experience to help them to keep looking more beautiful. Right? They need this product to keep them looking more beautiful. All right. So, but there's one big problem. This is it. Because there are lots of other products, competition with her product, in competition, other products in competition with her product, and lots of people have already paid for fake products that has not been helpful for them, but had rather made things worse. So the question is, how do Joyce convince her audience that she is for real, since they may be hearing about her for the very first time? You know, she has great product that has a great experience, and she wants to make people like those people we mentioned, Alima, Jessica, Natasha, Amanda, to be able to see what she has and have that experience, right? All right, so let's keep going. How does a sales funnel function? Now, let's finish this part. So, how do she convince them that this stuff works? And that is what a sales funnel is all about. A sales funnel is that convincing stage process that you take them to be convinced. Like people used to say this thing that you must make them to like you, to trust you, and to buy from you. That is, they like you. They call it um, like something trust. Know, like, trust. They will know you first. They will like you and they will trust you. So, how can we make this possible? How can Joyce make this possible? How can you make it possible for people to know you, to like you, and to trust you? These are the three factors that will make them want to be comfortable with buying from you. All right, so let's go. Well, how does a sales funnel function? In Joyce's case, this is how it works. The only way to do this is through the only way Joyce, can do this is through a sales funnel. She must set up a system that will convince her audience that she knows what she's selling and that she is a go-to person when it comes to beauty products. Number two, she must find a way to let people have a sample or a taste of the product before the actual sales. Here, she must set up a system to collect their contacts and data. You understand? Why giving them that free sample? Because, see, you can't give somebody something for free, and when the person tests it and she sees that this thing is good for them or this thing is better for them, then they can't have your contact, or you don't have their contact to reach them for more. You will notice that you are not selling anything, you just gave free for free. Free works when you give somebody something for free, you collect their number and the details. So this is what Joyce needs to do, so you can be able to sell more or sell the real stuff you want to sell. She must keep nurturing them to be able to make small sales, right? It is fact that only 3% of your target audience buys immediately, and 30 to 70% buys much later, but we neglect them because we don't have a sales funnel. And because not only that, because we don't have a sales funnel, I see so many people who make this mistake. I buy some courses online. Most of them are low ticket courses, very low ticket courses. Most of them are high ticket courses. All right, so most of them that sell low ticket courses, they don't know how to continually sell their product. Most of them use WhatsApp group, and maybe they have like 1,000 people in their WhatsApp group, and at the end of the day, it's only 10 that is active. Why? Because they have sold and they don't come back again. They don't have a means of reaching out to people again. They just want to make that sale immediately through their WhatsApp, their Facebook ads, and all. Now, we'll talk about Facebook ads, but let me give you a little hint. If your Facebook ad is just because you want to sell and make money now, forget it. You are just wasting your precious money. But if your Facebook ad is for you to get leads that will buy your low ticket product and then buy a higher ticket product and a much higher ticket product, then you are in business, because you are not forgetting the 3%. 3% of people that you target make decision now. That is smaller to people that will later make decisions. Okay, what if they don't have the money to buy now? What if they have the money to buy later? So how would you go about it? Would you neglect them and abandon them because they don't have the money to do now? And that is what I see a lot of internet marketers do. They abandon those people who are supposed to buy from them again and again, because why? They don't want to market again and again. They just want to make the money now and move on. So set up a sales page that they will be able to set up a sales page that they will be able to make the actual purchase. If you set up a sales page that they will be able to make that actual purchase, you are going. That is what Joyce is trying to do with her product. She's not just stopping at giving free product. She's not just stopping at this thing. She's nurturing them. She has schooled them. She has taught them. She's doing things to get them to buy her products. All right, let's go. Let me show you a practical step by step how to set this up. Let me walk you through the pictorial process that will help you understand this beautiful sales system better. All right, let's go. Let's take a step further. So this is Joyce. This is our product. Now, this is a funnel. This is how a funnel looks like, right? This is how a sales funnel looks like. So we are going to be talking about how to process the sales funnel step by step. All right, so for the sake of the length of this video, I'm going to just take these steps and then I will now break it down what to do and how to do it. All right, the first stage is traffic, right? This is the product. Traffic, very important. If you have, there are two types of traffic: paid traffic and free traffic. Now people are looking for paid traffic that are ignoring free traffic. Now I'm going to give us examples of paid traffics and free traffics, so we can understand how this traffic thing works and how you are going to make use of it in our next video. All right, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.